So everyone, look at my house. So this is my young brother. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my mom. Yeah. Go and ride with my bike. Okay, my bike. So look at my, yeah, this is my riding, my road. Oh, my mama. Faster. So slow. He's so slow. Why you didn't use your sleeper? Faster. Bilisan mo naman. Ang bagal mo. Sorry man, I'm not a pure English. Hop hop. Hop 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 hop. Charot. So guys, just wait a moment. I will wait my young brother. Okay, let's go. Time to ride. Don't worry guys, I will protect your camera. I'll use my one hand. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. What is that, bro? Are you fine? Oh, this is my cat, bro. Shit, ayaw huminto. Meow, meow! Aray. Aray mo! If you know Batosay, this is my house. So, going to ride now. Okay, just wait. Hey, young brother. Aray ko. I don't like to speak English. Tapos din natin to. I want to live but I don't care because I don't like alive. You know that, guys? Oh.
Nakita mo nakapaapa
Hindi. Don't dislike my video, guys, ha? Like my video. I know you like my video. I will kill you if you dislike my video. Charot.